Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user a distance in kilometer, and then our program will convert it to meters using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the tutorial video for today. So I'm using PyCharm Community Edition that is free to download in the website of JetBrains. So we have here print the title, we have kilometers to meters in Python. Line number 6, we are asking the user to give distance in kilometer that will be stored in a variable km, converting to meter. Meter equals kilometer times 1000. So it means that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1000 meters. So print, we have here displaying output %02f kilometer equals 0.2 meter. Formatting here km and m. Let us run the program. Kilometers to meters in Python, give distance to kilometers. Let's say we have 8 kilometer is equivalent to 8000 meter or meters. Let's say 4.5 kilometers. 4.5 kilometers is equivalent to 4500 meter. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to convert kilometers to meters in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.